Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Comes equipped with a 2.8 liter Duramax Diesel engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Bluetooth connectivity, premium powered leather heated seats, as well as spray and bed liner, tonneau cover, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with tons of extra storage and cup holder on the bottom. So it's going to come equipped with the speakers. It's going to come up here to the chrome accents with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your child lock. Driver's seats can be power adjustable, but both heated. Leather seats, very comfortable. Moving in, left side we're going to have our trailer brake controller, as well as our lighting control and our 2- and 4-wheel drive. And onto the steering wheel on the left is our cruise control and our forward collision alert. And the right side is our voice recognition and cluster control. Classic Chevrolet cluster control, trip A, trip B, your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, brake pad life, and other things as well. It's not going to be push to start, unfortunately. Of course, we go up here to Chevrolet MyLink. We're going to have our OnStar, as well as our built-in navigation, and as well as you can have other traffic apps and other apps you can download from as well. Below, you're going to have your exhaust brake option, cargo lamp in the back, as well as your lane departure warning. You're going to have your heated seats, 2 USB ports, and a 12-volt DC port. Shifter down here with your cup holder, extra storage, and of course, extra center console with USB port. Our side, yep, looks great. You're going to have the chrome accent on the door. You're going to have that glove box on the bottom, speakers up top as well, Bose speakers. You're going to have your reading lamps, sunglass case holder. You're going to have a rear sliding window as well. So you're gonna have these 17-inch alloy wheels, of course. We're gonna have our Duramax badging. Same with the Colorado with the chrome mirror caps and door handles. Of course, we're gonna have the tonneau cover in the back with the corner step bumpers. Trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under with the exhaust right there. Of course, easy lift gate with tons of extra bed tie downs as well. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear, it's gonna have the same style, speakers on the bottom with the cup holder, then storage, then up here to the power windows with the chrome accent on the handle. In the back, legroom, storage behind the passenger seats, as well as rear USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, as well as lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. If you checked out this 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT, comes equipped with a 2.8 liter Duramax diesel engine, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, exhaust brake, lane departure warning, spray and bed liner with tonneau cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.